A tripod shot tells the audience to pay attention. It can be a force to draw someone in without distracting them with any movement. And today, let's talk about the Coman Go Tripod. Let's do this. And please subscribe so you can see some more content like this. And if you don't, I'll just be depressed. So the build quality and the features of this tripod are truly surprising. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I did. And I don't like a lot of things, but this, I gotta admit, I like it. That was my stomach. The quick release of the top plate is honestly very convenient to move quickly on set. With one knob on each leg, you can adjust the height of the camera so easily, so you're just moving fast. The tripod also comes with a base plate, well obviously, but it has this really cool feature where you can use an Allen tool to tighten the screw down to your camera. And whenever you're done twiddling your thumbs and tightening that screw, you can put that Allen wrench in the back of the base plate. So smart. And you can screw these screws with confidence, knowing that in 10 years, these screws will still be screwing. That came out wrong. I'm not gonna lie, I do have a $3,000 tripod, and whenever it comes to panning on this, it's not as good as that, but for the price, it's definitely comparable. The Coman Go also has this really great feature on the top of the tripod head where you can just flip a switch and go from native base plate to DJI base plate. It makes it really easy to go from your gimbal shots to your tripod shots seamlessly. And you can adjust the forward and back with this switch, so that's pretty cool. Imagine all the time you're gonna save on set with this quick release, and these legs, they just work. You can tell this thing was just meant to be in the field. It's not using any crappy plastics, just premium metals that feel good and nice to the touch, whatever that means. You know, it's not all rainbows because you do have to do that weird circular motion to get the legs to collapse. Oh, I hate that. I'm gonna drive to a new spot because someone there made me feel uncomfortable. Look at that quick drop of the leg. Easy pan to an out of focus shot? I think so. Another very unique feature with this tripod is that you can take that middle pillar out and you can get your tripod nice and low to the ground, or you can flip the head completely upside down, go back into that same hole and get an upside down shot, which I haven't figured out how to do yet, but I saw it in their product video, so I guess you can do that. She pans good. Not great, but good. Another beauty shot, and another beauty shot of me. Quick release. Coman Go. Whenever you're done getting real low, put that middle pillar back in so you don't lose it, because you don't want to be the guy that shows up with the tripod that's half lost. Look into my soul, I mean description, for a little discount if you guys want to get this tripod. Go buy it. I hope you babies like my review. Subscribe and stick around.